Perfect for eggs, light batters, whipped cream and more. Smoothly rotating gears are enclosed for protection and easy cleanup. Beaters are elevated and continue to work while resting on bottom of bowl. Soft, comfortable non-slip handle and turning knob. Basin beaters detach from handle and are dishwasher safe. Handle is hand wash only. With a turn of the crank, the egg beater makes aeration a breeze for perfectly fluffy omelets and treats. Designed to reduce arm strain, it churns even while resting on bottom of bowl. Dishwasher-safe base detaches easily by pressing two side buttons, and beaters can be removed for easy cleaning. Top reviews from the United States. An old favorite upgraded. I didn't need this whisk. I've got a stand mixer, and a handheld electric whisk, as well as a couple of little whisks. But for some things, like making batter for pancakes/Yorkshire puddings, my little whisks didn't really do it, and I thought getting out the electric gadgets was excessive. So when I saw this at a very good price, I treated myself. Like all OXO products, it is very well designed and effective. Snapping out the beaters after use is a doodle, and they go in the dishwasher. I haven't tried it with anything heavy duty, but find it excellent so far.